I'm actually learning how to play the ukulele. The reason why I chose the ukulele is because it's smaller and I can bring it around everywhere. Also, just because I kind of wanted to ease into learning a new instrument. I feel like playing a guitar is like a lot more involved, so this one is just a little bit easier. I actually got this yesterday, so didn't have a lot of time to practice on it, but I know like 3 chords now, so hopefully I'm not too bad. And I actually learned one of the probably easier songs on the ukulele, which is You Are My Sunshine, so I want to try and see if I can play it for you guys. So please let me know in the comments below if you think I am semi-decent or just terrible, and tell me to stop and end my ukulele career, because I will. Alright, so this is You Are My Sunshine, which is a very easy song. Alright. Already forgot the chords. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I'm not good. I still have a lot of work to do, so let's catch up in like a month and figure out how we're gonna do this. I feel like it sounds better when I don't do it, so that's it. All right, let's go outside. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. But when I woke, dear, I was mistaken, and I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. So yeah, I'm very excited to start learning this more and sort of mastering the ukulele, because I feel like in the past, 24 hours since I've had this thing, I've sort of semi-learned 2 new songs. So I think that over the month or so, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot better. And I'm very excited to learn this, because I feel like learning is such a beautiful thing that a lot of people may take for granted. I mean, just think about it. Like, I didn't know how to play the ukulele at all 26 hours ago. But now that I have it and I'm practicing, I'm learning it, and it's really fun. And it's just like, even though that didn't sound great, but you know, I'm learning. So like in a month or 2 months from now, I'll be pretty decent, I think, at it. So I'm really excited for that. But yeah, it's a life lesson just to go and do the things that you want to do, that you always wanted to learn. If you're watching this right now and you're like, oh, I wish I knew Italian, or I wish I knew how to play the piano, or I wish I knew how to do laundry, go learn. That's the beauty of your mind, that you can always learn and improve. So I think with this and with anything that I'm going to be learning in the future is to not be frustrated that you don't know how to read notes or play the ukulele right away. It's definitely a craft. It's definitely something that you need to learn, and it's patience. That sounded terrible, but yeah, no, I'm really excited, and hopefully you guys are just as excited. If you want me to learn a song on the uke, I said a uke, I don't know why I said uke, I guess it's the lingo for this, the ukulele, uke. I'm gonna say uke. If you want me to learn new songs on this uke, that sounds weird too. If you want me to learn and play songs for you guys on this channel, leave them in the comments below and I'll read them and I will try my best to learn them. But give me some time because, again, I just started today basically. And I will see all of you guys tomorrow? Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. Why not? Because it's 2018 and we're gonna kick its ukulele butt. Alright, well, I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye, everybody.
What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this 2018 versus 2019 You Are My Sunshine cover. Fun fact, the 2018 You Are My Sunshine cover was the first time I ever actually played ukulele. That obviously, I filmed that clip, and it's really cool to look back at the progress that I've made in the past year and just kind of the doors that have opened through this instrument. You know what I mean? It's crazy to think that I started the ukulele just because I wanted a creative outlet and I was in a space that I just didn't really enjoy, so I wanted to bring that joy back into my life. So learning the ukulele was something I think life-changing for me, definitely, but it was also just brought back that creativeness and that joy and that spark that I was missing for all those years. So if you want to learn ukulele or any instrument, anything, just do it. As I said in that video in 2018, if you want to learn something, do it, because you know the time is now. And it's never too late to pick up an instrument or pick up anything that you want, a language, a resource, whatever it is, just do it. Yeah, I'm really happy that I picked up the ukulele last year, and it's really cool to see how much I've grown, and also the community that I've built on Instagram and on YouTube is absolutely insane. I would have never ever in a billion years thought that I would be in this position recording videos for you, and you watching them and you liking them and you commenting and just engaging with my content. It was absolutely never in my wildest dreams that I'd be here, but it's so cool that I am, and it's really cool that I get to do this. Like I don't know what to say. I don't have anything planned out for this video. I just thought it would be really interesting to see the progress from my first ever ukulele video, my first day one of learning that instrument, to a year, 2019, a year later, and seeing just, I'm speechless. Like truly, I got like a little emotional watching the video yesterday, because that's when I got the idea in my head. I'm like, oh, I should do that. I watched the first video and it got me pretty emotional, because again, it's just, I don't know. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Also, hit that red subscribe button. It looks a little bit like this. It'll turn gray once you click it. That means that you have subscribed to this channel. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon, and leave me a comment below letting me know if this has inspired you to learn an instrument or language or whatever it's inspired you to do. Let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know how long you've been playing ukulele, or if you play ukulele and you just stumbled across this video and you don't play and you're like, I don't want to play ukulele, but great video. It was a great video, right? Be nice. It was a great video. But yeah, let me know in the comments below all the stuff that you want to tell me, because I read all of them. I respond to all of them. So leave some love in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I don't have a sign off. I'm just going to say bye. Is that weird? There's nobody in this room. All right. Bye.